Ciao a tutti, da Luca, and I promised you she will be back.
Hi guys, I'm very happy to see you here.
Ciao Marina. Thank you for being with us today. So you wanted to ask me a new sentence?
New sentence.
So
Yes.
shoot.
Well, if I come to a restaurant to eat or to drink and I want to take some food away with me, so what do I say? How to say? I want this coffee to go.
To go, okay. Yeah, usually we don't really do it with coffee, but yes, you
Okay,
can ask.
yeah.
With pizza, maybe you go to a pizza shop and you want to get pizza to take away. So to take away in Italian would be da portare via.
Da portare via.
Da portare via, per favore. Very, very simple. By the way, you can find this sentence and many others in the mind maps we prepared. If you remember, we mentioned this.
Yes.
Now the work is done, so mind maps are ready for you to enjoy, both visual and audio.
And you'll find different topics there.
Yeah,
Nice
all-
hair, by the way.
thank you. All
Me
kinds
too.
of different topics. So we're gonna put a link down in the description of this
below
video.
the video.
So you just find this link, you click on it, and you'll see.
You will
check.
find a lot of expressions and sentences on different topics, like 10 topics, I think. Yeah.
Yes, and you'll hear my voice and maybe someone else's too.
Yeah, there is one mind map with my voice too.
It's necessary.
Oh yeah, it's such a wonderful mind map. You're gonna love it.
Okay, guys. So we'll keep making videos like this. This, by the way, this sentence was actually requested by one of you in the comments.
Yeah, so
keep,
feel free.
yes.
Feel free to ask.
Yeah, just write down useful sentences, stuff that you could, say every day. Not just a word, not a poem, just a single sentence, get to the point.
And actually, I think in our mind maps you have this expression to go.
Yeah, exactly. So, like I
you'll
said,
find
this
expressions
and
like
many
this,
others.
like very useful.
All right, so we'll see you very soon with new videos for the everyday Italian 100 useful expressions. Grazie Marina,
Grazie,
and
Luca.
grazie a tutti. See you very soon.
Bye
Ciao
bye.
ciao.